Welcome everyone to Web Launch Academy's first site improvement video. We're going to dive into a real-world case study that demonstrates a couple of website conversions / upgrades on a simple behavioral therapy site. But first, for full disclosure, I am not a Squarespace fan. I've used Squarespace before, and I just thought there's got to be a better way. I used it once on one site and then I scrapped it. And the initial problem began with the bill. It was over $300 for just publishing the site. I didn't have any traffic on it, nothing. So yeah, ouch. So with that personal note out of the way, Squarespace was a solid platform for getting started quickly and for anyone who didn't have, coding experience. But now with AI, it's just not really necessary. Anyone can build a site using AI these days, anybody. Now, I have a computer science degree, but I haven't coded in over 10 years, seriously. I lost all of my coding skills, and actually the language that I use, I don't know a lick of. I don't know a lick of Next.js, and yet I'm able to code with it perfectly using AI. So without further delay, let's just begin. So we begin by taking a look at the original Squarespace site, specifically in the mobile view. Let's start with the viewing experience. So notice how the mobile experience has some awkward design elements. There's not really any real problems with SEO, search engine optimization. There's not really any performance issues. There probably is like slightly, but you'd have to dive into the Lighthouse score, which I don't have for the original Squarespace video. But the main problem really isn't any of that. It's not. It's a little bit awkward. It's kind of funny how it just has these like random these random like designs in the middle of the page. You're trying to scroll down. It's like just an eyesore there, but that's not really the issue. Really, the problem is that you don't own your own code. You don't own your own site that you spent weeks building. Anyways, let's look at version 2. So this was our first step of giving the site complete ownership toward the code. And right away you can kind of see that there's a problem with the image. So no hosting fees, that's great. But we gotta fix the page loading speed. And with the Lighthouse analysis, you can see this is a problem. It's a real problem. It's a failure. It's a massive fail. Here's where things get really cool. And this is a simple framework conversion. That's what it is. The code is basically the same, just the tech stack is the difference. You can actually see the difference here. You can see how crisp and quick the page loads. We get the best of both worlds, cutting edge performance and rapid development speed, and anybody can do it. Anybody can do this. Potentially hundreds across the board on Lighthouse, which is a third-party scoring system. It's not our scores. It's a third-party scoring system that basically everybody accepts. And again, here's the Lighthouse analysis. Just amazing, just beautiful. You love to see it. What you've just witnessed is more than just a website upgrade. It is a perfect example of Web Launch Academy's methods. And you can learn them. You can learn these methods and apply them and get a site that you not only love, but that you own. You build it, you own it forever. Okay? Web Launch Academy basically works itself out of a job. No lock-ins, no upsells, no traps, no tricks. Right, so that wraps us up. If this kind of video intrigues you, if this was cool, interesting, please like. And if you want more of these videos, consider subscribing, because Web Launch Academy will put out videos that follow tech upgrades and will give you tips and tricks on website development. So yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.